What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly plant a tree. Now myself, I'm not an expert, I'm new to this, so I did a bunch of research and I'm going to save you the time in a very short and summarized video. I already planted one over there. It's a lot easier than you think, and I got two more to go, so I'm going to film this second one exactly how I did the first one. I have a bunch of tips that I found online. I'm going to summarize all of it so you can benefit in about 5 minutes. So this is where the stick is, where we're gonna dig a hole and plant that tree, and I'm gonna show you very simple, easy steps on how to do it. Now to dig the hole, all you need is a shovel. Really, I have that just to kind of poke the soil and open it up. It's very easy, it doesn't take too much time, so let's get to work. Okay, so I dug the hole. It took me about 5 minutes. It wasn't too much time. Now the hole, you want it to be as deep exactly as the soil for your tree is, but you want it a little bit wider around it, but the same depth. So before you take it out of the box here, or the container, you want to grab it. You want to make sure it fits, right? So when you do that, you make sure the height of the soil is the same as the depth of the hole, because you don't want it to be deeper. You don't want to bury the tree too much, and you still need some space around it for the water to go seep down to the roots. Now one more thing you want to do before you take it out of the container and put it in the hole is you want to make sure that the water doesn't sit in the hole. You want to put some water in and make sure that it seeps down in under 5 minutes. If water sits, it can rot the roots and cause damage, and you don't want that. Okay, so you want to get your water and fill the hole, about a quarter of the hole. Okay, just like that. Now you want to wait about 5 minutes. If this water disappears, it seeps down, that's good, you're good to go. If not, you can add some mulch. Usually what stays at the bottom of the box is usually enough, because you're gonna spread the roots, and some of that mulch falls down and you can use it. But sometimes you can have an extra bag of mulch you can put down if your soil is not absorbent. So let's check this one, see how it does, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so it's been about 3-4 minutes and the water still sits there. I don't want that, so let me show you what I can do about this. Now I do have a planting composite that I can use, but instead I will use what's actually in the container. Okay, so I will put my gloves back on, and now I will pull the tree out the container. Sometimes some of them can be tough. Okay, there we go. Okay, see all that mulch that fell off of the roots? You can use that. So you want to help the roots spread, so you can spread the roots a little bit so they can spread in the ground later. So you can set this aside, and you can use this at the bottom of the hole. Spread it like that. Now you're ready to grab the tree, put it in the hole. You want the tree to be as straight as possible. So this is straight. You can grab some of this soil, put it back in the hole. Okay, so you want the tree to be as straight up as possible. You grab some of this back into the hole and kind of compact it, clear any grass or any other plants. Okay, don't let any rocks back. I like to create a circle around the tree so water can just sit there until it seeps down. Okay, now you're basically done. You just gotta water the tree very, very well. Okay, and you are done. Now, newly planted trees, they need a lot of water, so keep watering them. Now I'm gonna go back to the one I planted previously and give it more water. Okay, and that's it. You are done. Now, final tip: if there is any fruits, any lemons or whatever fruits there is on the tree, cut them away so the tree can focus on growing itself, not the fruits. With that being said, hopefully this video was helpful to you. Hopefully the tips will be useful to you. If that's the case, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe down there. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.